So today we are at Pick and Pull because my brakes kind of died. Like they're kind of shot. But we believe that it's the hydraulic booster, the brake booster. So we're gonna come to Pick and Pull and we're gonna grab one and we're gonna see how much it costs. And then we're gonna do the removal and the install of the new unit. Yeah. This is our best guess at what's going on. I think we have all your stuff already.
Sponsor.
Yeah.
Gentle.
Picked a great day to do this because it's raining. You know?
Well, we tried to pick today because it was going to be raining on Sunday, but yeah, here we are.
I think it's bird poop, dude.
I mean, I think that's probably why they have these over.
That's
so
quite a
birds
bit.
Stop pooping on them.
Not a great day to do this, dude.
Might have been a bad day.
Yep, not great. And we don't even get to go underneath the car today. I mean, maybe. Hopefully it's turned in the right direction. But jeez. Dude, this kind of sucks.
Should have got a better jacket.
What? A Dickies isn't bad.
What do you want?
So what are you doing?
I don't know.
You're the one that's supposed to know what you're doing. I don't know what I'm doing.
You haven't realized that I've been making this up completely as we go along.
We're just out here in the rain, just chilling.
Yeah, I'm the one that thought this was a good idea, so clearly you don't need
Oh
to
yeah,
listen
let's
to...
do it before it rains on Saturday. Oh yeah.
Well, all the dreams of snow wheeling
That's not true.
died.
That's not true.
When you said, my brakes don't work.
Well, they're about to work, right? Come on, guy. You gotta believe. Take that hose off. Come on now.
It's not coming off.
Take it.
It's super not coming off.
Yeah. Oh. Isn't that illegal?
I don't know. This is Pick and Pull.
What? What does that mean?
I don't know. I'm assuming the oil's allowed to spill on the ground.
Okay, we'll see. I guess my job is the pedal part, the part that on the inside. So, all right. So there's 4 bolts back here, which are fairly difficult to get to, and my legs are totally getting soaked because they're hanging outside. But you know, just a regular Thursday for us AFG folk. Come on. Yes. One down, buddy.
So I finished what I was doing.
Dude.
So now I'm sitting in here where it's warm. Because it's pretty bad out there. I'm watching Matthew just get after it. Really succeeding. Film.
I'll give you about 10 minutes to dry off, and then you have to Hand powered is the best power. I feel like I'm holding a wall sit right now.
That looks like you're holding a wall sit. That looks like super uncomfortable.
There's no other way to do it, dude.
This is why I gave you this job, because you're used to like contorting your body into weird positions for extended periods of time.
I need the light. I need it. I can't see. I need it.
Hang on. Weather update. Matthew has found a way to keep his legs. Do you want me to go to the other side and close the door?
I think it'll close on my butt.
I could try.
Oh, my hand is dying out. Dude,
Gotta get this.
it's raining so hard.
Let's go do this today, Matthew. Yeah. Do you want me to try to shut the door? It's hailing on your butt. Let's do it before it rains. Do you hear the thunder? I'm not super comfortable. Like, there's that is like on my leg.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm sure that's tough.
That's not fun.
Yeah, I'm sure that's a hard life.
Yeah, it's not ideal, but you know.
My butt's getting real wet, dude.
Okay, let me just don't move your arm. There you go. I put that up there. Oh, but it looks like it's
Making it worse.
We'll pull that piece off. There you go.
Oh!
4 bolts.
Oh, now I'm moving. Now I'm hitting it.
Stop it.
That's
Stop.
it.
You're getting
That's
your hair
the
in that
stuff, dude.
gross carpet.
I think I'm doing it.
Weather update. It's lightened up. It's totally lightened up.
Has it?
Yeah, 100%.
The thunder sounds like the earth is breaking. Oh, now the ratchet's too big?
Did you get that second bolt off?
No.
The sun is coming out right as the last bolt is being undone. Look at. Oh, so loose. Oh, we still got to take the thing off the brake pedal though, huh? Dang it. I think you're a little more. Come on. Hey. Oh. Hey. Come on.
Did you do it?
All right, try it. Oh, well, this rack is your way, dingus. Ooh! Hold it.
You did it!
We did it. Oh, Anna's gonna be so mad that took so long. I'm gonna be in trouble. Let's go.
All right, let's bounce.
Brake booster and master cylinder.
No master cylinder, just brake booster.
I can't charge you for just the booster because in the system it's labeled as brake, master cylinder, and the booster. So
I can go grab it.
yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Bum, bada, bum, bada, bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum.
At least they told me that it wasn't for the reason they thought it was.
Well, we did it. 65 bucks. It was worth it because a real one is $325. Like like a new one.
Well, even a rebuild kit is $40.
Yeah, so
we can.
and they made us buy the master cylinder as well. So we got a master cylinder and a brake booster for 65 bucks, which isn't bad.
And now what we can do is we can take the one that's on yours, and for $40 we can
Rebuild it.
rebuild it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sell it on the internet.
Yeah.
Or try to put it on mine.
All right. Well, this is part 1.
Yeah, now we have to do all that in reverse. which
Yeah,
I
we got to
feel
do
like
all
is
that
gonna
again.
be worse.
So, I don't know.
Getting that clip on, I absolutely destroyed that clip.
Oh, did you?
I mean, you've got a clip on yours. Just
But you
reuse that
messed it
clip.
up though. It's hard to get it off.
Well, I think I know a better technique.
Okay. Well, yeah, we're gonna have to figure that out. Pick and pull saved us again.
Good old P&P.
PNP, not PCP,
I mean, that probably would help.
but PSP. Now that's a video game system.
Yeah.
I never had one, but I got to play one
No
one
one
time.
ever
I
had
was so psyched.
It had that
It was
stupid
so cool.
nub.
It
No,
was so
the little
cool.
nub was dumb.
I played God of War once on a PSP, and I was like, "This is sick."
The
I was so psyched.
nub on the 3DS